Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to book a demo in Simplified AI. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm choosing Chrome. So on the address bar, search for this link, that is simplified.com. Now, once you land on the homepage of simplified.com, at the middle of the page, you will see an option of book a demo. Simply hit on that. Now, here you can see a simple form which you need to fill out. First of all, you have to type your full name. Then type your email address. Then choose your business. Now, choose how big your company is and briefly describe how you're going to use Simplified. Now, choose the cover in demo and you are done with your form. Once you fill out all of the form, hit on the submit button and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily book a demo. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.